Alright, y'all, so it's day 306. No, I'm just playing. Been a couple days, but as you can see, the time cover is not there no more. Took off the time cover and we are gonna replace it. We also bolted on or put this little fan on. Damn, I don't know what it's really called, but I just call it fan. If it's called something else, then oh well, but I call it fan. We drilled it on, as you can see, right here and then right here as well. But I haven't put anything down here. Let me show y'all. Down here to the frame. I'm yet to do that, just for it could sit still and it like won't go anywhere. I'm gonna have to add that down there. We haven't put on the water pump just because I've been busy taking off the time cover, but we are gonna put on the water pump. I was thinking to myself, just put on the valve cover, my bad, the time cover on first and then do all this, because I was trying to take off the time cover earlier and this was in the way. I didn't want to take this off. They were already in there, so if I take them out, it's gonna be a struggle putting like everything back on or whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna just wait on the water pump, and then as of right now, I'm focusing on the time cover. I just ordered it. It's gonna come when, I don't know, but I ordered it. And when that comes, we could resume the build. So put on the pulley, adapter kit, and not mess up this time. And we could slap this on, and we could also cut the piece on this top one, but on the new time cover, because we are not gonna use this one no more. But yeah, man, that's the update. But as of right now, I'm going to AutoZone and I'm getting some tube or like something like this to connect the reservoir to the supercharger. And I do need a half-inch T or something like that. I'll put it on the screen. But yeah, we're gonna run to either O'Reilly's or AutoZone to get that real quick. And yeah, I'll be back. So it's the next day. I didn't get to it the last clip because I had to go to the hospital, but we did go to O'Reilly's. I didn't go to AutoZone just because AutoZone never has anything. So we went to O'Reilly's and Home Depot again, just because we needed these. I'll show y'all. We needed these 3/4 to a half T's. I got 2 of them, and I also bought some hose. As you can see, this is 3/4, and this is 1/2. And then we also bought some clamps. And wow, I just realized he didn't charge me something, so I'm gonna have to probably go back. Jesus. But yeah, we got some clamps for the hoses, and yeah, that's about it. As of right now, I'm taking this to the UPS store. It is the cold air intake for my HEMI. I took it off. I won't be able to use it no more because obviously it goes to a 5.7 manifold and it won't fit the supercharger that we're putting on this HEMI. So I am selling it to some guy on Instagram. Put his ad up here, or I don't know, but yeah, I'm selling it for $250. So you'll get a good leg maker intake, and obviously I'm gonna put that inside as well because it came with that. And yeah, man, that's what we're doing right now. But when we get back, we are gonna be putting on those hoses that I got from O'Reilly's, because those hoses go to the reservoir, and from the reservoir to the supercharger, also to the water pump that we're gonna be installing right here in the front. All right, so we made back from the UPS store and we got that shipped out. But as of right now, I'm gonna still have to run back to AutoZone or O'Reilly's tomorrow just to go buy those scissors, because I do need to cut this and I don't have nothing else to cut it with. But this is basically how it's gonna go. So it's this tube, this is the half, is gonna go here, and then this T is gonna go sewn right here. Remember, the 3/4 is gonna go connected down here to the water pump, and then up there to the supercharger. So that's how we're gonna run it. Oh, also add some back here. Yeah, that's basically how we're gonna run it. But as of right now, I'm gonna stop it here. I mean, I didn't really do much. I just want to go buy like the items I needed, but tomorrow we should do more. Tomorrow I do work, but we get out early, so I'm gonna hop on the build, you feel me, do a little more progress to it, and hopefully this time cover comes in, because I did order it overnight, so we'll see how long it takes. But yeah, we got that ordered, and once that comes, I already said, slap it on, resume the build. It's gonna go smooth, hopefully, praying to God it goes smooth. But yeah, that's what we on right now. Gotta go to AutoZone, or my bad, O'Reilly's, get some scissors to cut this, measurements and all that, and we should have that ready, waiting for the time cover, and we're gonna slap everything back on. Once we slap like the time cover and all that back on, we're gonna do the water pump and the wiring. The wiring is probably gonna give me the hardest time, just because I don't know nothing about that wiring stuff. So I'm gonna probably have to hit up somebody, have somebody do it, or if not, I'm gonna try. But my first thing is I'm gonna try, and then do the other options I just said. But yeah, man, I'm stoked. I seen somebody else do this, and it was a very good outcome. So hopefully it's a good outcome for us. I'm waiting. I know y'all waiting. I'm waiting as well, man. I'm tired of just seeing the car sit right here like this. It's very sad. It went from a daily car to a car that doesn't move at all. But anyway, man, we're gonna come back stronger. I mean, we coming back slowly, but you get me. Just stay tuned, man. This is gonna be the end of part 2. I'm gonna have a part 3 tomorrow, or I'm gonna start part 3 tomorrow, and I'm gonna add the time cover video in it. Or I'm not sure how I'm gonna do it, but I'm gonna do a part 3 video. This is gonna be part 2. So if y'all enjoyed the video, I know it wasn't much, but it's something just for y'all to watch, or to like give y'all update on the car, for y'all won't see that I'm not just letting it sit here and I'm not doing nothing to it. But yeah, man, if y'all enjoyed the video, I mean, it was pretty boring, but you know, it's something. But if y'all enjoyed the video, make sure y'all like, subscribe, turn on that post notification, and I'll see y'all on part 3. Deuces.